What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And for this clip, you may notice that the audio and the lips are not syncing. It's because the audio was terrible in the initial clip, so I'm just gonna do a quick little voiceover. Basically, this is before we go to the 7-Eleven meet and link up with the homie Amir, who was in Florida visiting from Georgia. Sad thing is, the last time this car was washed was when Amir did it when I was in Georgia before I hit that dresser on the way back. So he hasn't seen the new bumper in person, but the car has not been getting much love since then. So, but yeah, let's go ahead and do the cold start and then head on over there. Alright, just pulling up. We still got a few who are on the way. We got a few who are here. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the cars that are here already. Figured I'd park way back over there in the cut for now. It's a lot more parking here. I love this car. I've only seen it online for a while, so it's definitely dope seeing it in person. The wheels is crazy. Got the Maryland plates. Troy, no chill. Alright. I've seen this Nightcrawler a few times. What's up? That looks pretty good. But yeah, like I said, still got a few people that I know are coming, and more people will be showing up. The meet actually technically started like 33 seconds ago, but yeah, we'll see who's coming. Alright, we got some nice ones pulling in now. But look at this. Show stealer right here. That's how you pull up. Homie Wavyy pulled up. Yeah. I used to want that color, but I don't know. I don't like the color as much anymore. Yeah. But it's clean on that. Definitely dope. Alright, so we got a lot of people showed up now. So most people are on the left side. So yeah, real sick. So got people who are lined up here. Slaughterhouse in the building. Got some people parked around here. That's 2000. Super dope. Seen them pull in. Look real good. Sound real good. Very clean. It's pretty loud too, in a good way. We're gonna keep on moving. Her garage. Troy, no chill. Got him earlier, but sheesh, still looking so good. Got those already, so I'll just wait till I get around the other side. Alright. Got them when they was coming in. They definitely clean. Can't just do that. Gotta give them some love over here. Slow clean. Attention to detail. Sheesh. Yeah, that's clean. Excuse me. And look at this one. Now these some real builds, I tell you. The seats. Insane. Sheesh. Sound like a Z. VQ. Yep. 370. Pulling up over there. I have to get me a nice thumbnail here pretty soon too. Well, he made it. Looks like the airbag went off. Whatever happened. But he made it. Alright, so by the time I was about to start recording again, everybody kind of pulled off. We did have a Mustang squad pull in as everybody was gone, and just as I was about to leave, but I didn't record them, mostly because I was on the way out, so I didn't record them. They definitely look good, it sound good though. But that's pretty much going to do it for this video. So I'm going to go ahead and do the comment of the day. Comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below, and who knows, you could be next. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.